Hi guys, my name's Chantel and today I'm filming with Urban Decay. This is the first time I have seen the Born to Run palette. So as you can see, it is absolutely stunning. Like, this is the first time that they've done 21 colours in one palette, and I am completely in love with the range available. It's got a good mixture of mattes and shimmers as well. So super excited to try this. You guys are literally going to be watching me use it for the first time, so we're in this journey together. I'm going to start with Barger. I'm going to apply that on both my lids, just going across the entire lid, all the way into the corner and just kind of touching the brow bone slightly. So now I'm going to use Punk, which is the dark brown shade here, just to deepen the colour in my crease as well. So I'm just going to blend that up. I think I'm going to go for Guilt Trip, which is this purple here. And I'm going to mix that actually with Jet, kind of to make a deep purple, which I'm going to do on the outer corner of my eye, and then I'm going to bring it in to a bit of a lighter shade in the middle. And I'm taking it kind of into the crease as well, where I put the Punk, which was the matte dark brown that we used earlier. Okay, so that's blended out. So you can see we've got that nice transition from the purple to the transition colour that we put before. So now I'm going to take Ignite, which is I would call it a bronze. Take that into my crease. Ooh! Okay, that is so pretty. Again, I'm going to just do the same on the other eye. And I don't know about you guys, but I can't do I normally never do my foundation before my eyeshadow, but I have no fallout, and this is a problem that I always have, like, especially when I do dark colours. The colours always land on my cheeks, and if I've done foundation before, like, it's a mess. Like, I just have to start the whole thing again. But as you can see, literally nothing. If I'd done my foundation before this, I would have been fine. So I'm going to be using the All Nighter foundation, and my shade is 9.75. I'm going to prime my face with the Urban Decay Quick Fix spray. So this is the Naked Skin Concealer, and I am shade. This is Dark Golden. And for this, I am going to use my fingers. So I'm just going to use Accelerate, which I would call a kind of copper colour, just to go underneath my eye. I feel like that's even. I'm going to take the Urban Decay Afterglow highlighter. This is Fireball. This is 8 Hour Powder highlighter. Summer Poppin', just. The final touches, I'm going to be using the Cannonball Waterproof Mascara. Okay, so I've just finished off just with a gloss. I wanted to keep the lips quite neutral, and to set my makeup I'm going to be using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. So I'm just going to spray that in an X and a T shape. And we're good to go. I love the colour range that is available here, perfect for summer. So everything that I've used today is available at Debenhams, so make sure you go there to your local Urban Decay stand and check it out. And thank you so much for watching this tutorial.